Hey, my children. It has been a long time.
Hey.
At last you have thought of visiting me, eh? Yes, how are you?
Fine, how are you?
My daughter. Yes.
Father, we are here.
Yes.
You see the problem now, the city is hot. I cannot afford rent, so that's why we are here, and we are here to stay.
But I don't get you right.
What?
So you have not come to visit, but you have come to stay.
Yeah. Whoa. You put your luggage inside.
Oh, my dear, according to our culture, you are not supposed to share a house with me.
But remember, I'm your son. Remember, during the introduction ceremony, you introduced me to the whole village. Yes, and you accepted me here as your son-in-law. You want me to suffer because of the culture. Remember, you introduced me and you accepted me here as your son.
There is nothing.
Father, even if you speak talk in French and in Chinese, it won't help you. Now the issue is, let's first solve this problem. I'm here to stay with my wife, your daughter, because yes, you have a big house. Other rooms are being occupied by spiders and flying birds. No. If we are doing that, I'm going to report you to ICC, High Court, Supreme Court for child abuse. Yes, for child abuse. Yes, child abuse. With the intention to murder. Come.
Have you seen?